Chance, what you doing, baby?
Okay.
You gonna try and fix Daddy's belt? Hatch tore it up. Here you go. Uh-oh, you tore Daddy's belt up. Daddy fixed it. You drooling everywhere. Mama's little slobber box. My slobber box. And the baby slobber box. Yes, him is. More. Hey, baby. Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Chance. Chance. I don't think you want to take Daddy's pants off.
Yeah, you daddy's butthead. Turn come get her.
Harrison.
Damn, this actually stopped raining.
Chancey Poo.
See, babe, I will also want
For him. Let's talk afterwards.
we get out the shirt granny this.
Here's your buckle. Here's the buckle.
Send it to her through Messenger.
Here's the buckle. Does that go on there? How does that go on there? Oh, what? Okay. How does that go on there? How do you think that goes on there?
Looks like you got a seatbelt on back here.
How does that go on this belt? How does this go on here? Will he figure it out, or will he just slobber on it and attempt to glue it there?
What? You gonna fix daddy's belt, son? Huh? You gonna fix daddy's belt? I know this goes here. I don't know if you tired or not. I know daddy took the belt buckle off of it.
He says it's time to kick back, Mama.
It's time to kick back, son.
Okay, we will find out if he ever figures out how to put the belt buckle on the belt in the next episode. Dun dun dun.